Now what we want to do is create the actual mood board. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we have images for all of these items so that they're available for the mood board. So we go to a folder that we've created for this project, Mount Parent House, and we can see that we have the chandelier right here and we have the Persian rug right here, but we do not have this Maddox sofa. So we need to basically download this sofa image so it's available for the mood board. So to do that, we want to come down here and where it says right click, download image, right click on the download link, and we want to basically save link as, and we're going to call that Maddox sofa, and we're going to save it in the Mount Parent House folder, and we click save. Now that image is available for the mood board. So if we go to the folder, we can see that now we have this Maddox sofa. Now because we're going to put it on a mood board, we might want to get rid of this border. So we open it up in Max Preview app, and we're just going to crop that image so there's not much border on it.